This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee for a sneak peek of the 2024 Orlando RV Show. We've received countless requests to bring a multi-dealer RV show to Orlando, and we've listened. Finally, we found the perfect location to accommodate the sheer number of RVs on display. This isn't just a one-dealer lot show, it's a multi-dealer extravaganza. 4 local dealers have come together to showcase their best and newest RVs, all in one location. This is the ultimate opportunity for RV enthusiasts to compare their favorite models side by side. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting your journey, this is the place to be. At the 2024 Orlando RV Show, you'll find an array of RV classes, catering to every type of traveler. From compact and maneuverable Class B camper vans, or family-friendly and easy-to-drive Class Cs, and Super Cs, to luxurious Class A and Class A diesel motorhomes, there's something to suit every lifestyle and budget. Whether you're dreaming of hitting the road in a nimble travel trailer, destination trailer, or ultralight, seeking the spacious comfort of a fifth wheel, or adventure out in a toy hauler, you'll discover a wide selection of RVs to explore and compare. The best part is the dealers are competing for your business. You'll find exclusive deals, special offers, and expert advice to help you make the right choice for your RV lifestyle. We will also have food and adult beverages, a vendor tent full of RV lifestyle products, and a daily gift card giveaway. Just stop to register at the iPad displays as you enter the show. And with free parking and free admission, you can't go wrong. So come down to the 2024 Orlando RV Show at the Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee to find the RV of your dreams. The 2024 Orlando RV Show is being held at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 9 to 4. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for opening day and sneak peek videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.